In this video, we are going to prove the following identities. Now, what are the things that you need to keep in mind when you are proving the identities? First of all, whichever side you are taking, either left hand side or right hand side, you write that clearly, right? Number two, you try to convert everything into sine and cos. That will make your job easier. Or sometimes if you see that square, say for example here cosec square a plus 1 is written, you try to look for the identities if you can replace or use the identities. If squares are not there, right, then you simply try to convert it into sine and cos. Fine. Let's proceed to solve this identity. We have to prove that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what will I do? I will choose to solve left hand side. So I will write LHS here clearly and then write it again. So this is cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A minus 1. Some students, what they do, they write equal to 1 plus sine A throughout. Now that's not a correct thing. Your examiner will look at your first step, and if you have written in your first step is equal to this, your question will not be checked. So you are actually solving it and proving it equal to this. So you should not write equal to 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Now I have written my left hand side clearly. So I will try to convert this into sine and cos, whatever. Now cosec can be converted into sine. How? I can write cosec A as 1 by sine A because sine A is the reciprocal of cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A is 1 by sine A minus 1. Now here I can take sine A as LCM. So I get 1 plus sine A upon sine A. And in the denominator again I can take sine A common, LCM. So I'll get 1 minus sine A, right? So what will happen? I will get rid of this. So finally, what am I left with? 1 plus sine A upon 1 minus sine A. Is it my right hand side? Yes. Then equal to right hand side. So then finally you write, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, right? Okay, now this one here also I will choose the left hand side here. Write it again, sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1. Then what is the next step? Try to convert it into sine and cos. So how do I convert sec into sine? And it can be converted into 1 by cos. I can write in place of sec as 1 by cos minus 1 divided by 1 upon cos A plus 1. Now same way I can take cos A LCM. I will get 1 minus cos A upon cos A, and in the denominator also I will take, this will be 1 plus cos A and then cos A. So this cos A and cos A will go. I am left with 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Is it my right hand side? Yes, equal to RHS. Therefore, your left hand side is equal to right hand side, right?